Morning, class.
Good morning, Mr. Rogan.
Today we're going to learn about sex ed. To show you about sex ed, we have this video from the 1950s.
Why is it so old?
Because of budget cuts.
Honey, I'm home.
How was your day, sweetheart? I made you a sandwich, just like a woman should.
Good job, woman. My day was just spiffy.
Oh, Billy's had his eye on this Susie girl. Maybe you should go upstairs and talk to him.
Well, that just sounds dandy. How you doing there, buddy? What's that?
Well, Dad, in school we're learning about growing up and responsibility. So Mrs. Robinson gave us these eggs to learn what it's like to be a parent. I named mine Jimmy.
I remember doing that project as a kid. Good luck.
Gee willikers, my body's changing in so many ways. I wish my dad would talk to me about it. Oh my great golly gosh, it's Captain Condom!
I think I can help you with all of your problems, Billy.
Where are we?
Well, Billy, I'm glad you asked. We're on the dock.
Is it a special dock?
No, Billy. It's just a regular dock.
Do boats come here?
No, Billy.
Did something really significant happen here?
No, Billy. It's just a goddamn dock.
Well then why are we here?
Because I'm here to teach you about the birds and the bees.
The birds and the bees?
That's right. By now, you've probably noticed that your body's going through some very significant changes.
Oh gee, mister, I sure have.
See all that grass over there? It's growing where it shouldn't be on the field. Now, Billy, you're gonna start growing some hair. Well, you'll find out soon enough.
How have we been getting to all these places, Captain Condom?
Well, Billy, I'm glad you asked. Because I waited until I was married to have sex, I can teleport anywhere I want.
Wowzers, will I be able to teleport?
Sure, Billy. Just remember to wait until you get married. If you don't, your penis will fall off.
Oh my great golly gosh, not my penis.
Yes, Billy. Your penis.
Wow, I'll sure wait until I'm married. Wowee, this view sure is beautiful.
It sure is. But remember, Billy, just because something's beautiful doesn't mean you should stick your penis in it. Well, she sure is a fox.
Yeah, I guess she's pretty.
Well, what are you gonna do about it?
Am I supposed to talk to her?
Of course you're supposed to talk to her.
But what if I don't like her?
Of course you'll like her.
But what if I like Bobby?
You don't like Bobby.
But
You don't like Bobby.
Okay, I'll go talk to her. Hi, Susie.
Hi, Billy.
Hi, I was wondering if you wanted to go to the sock hop with me.
Oh, sure, that would just be swell.
And remember, kids, always use a condom.
What the hell?